No job, no problem. Did you know you can legally stay in Spain for 12 months after graduation to search for a job, start a business, or change your life? This is the Spain Job Seeker Visa, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it, step by step. The Spain Job Seeker Visa is a special permit for non-EU students who just finished a degree in Spain. It gives you 12 months to find a job or start your own business, with zero job offer required. Total game changer. You qualify if you studied in Spain and graduated, have private health insurance, can show enough money to survive in Spain, about Euro 700 per month. Apply within 90 days after your student permit expires. Let's break down the process in simple steps. 1. Download EX01 form. Overlay, screenshot of the form. 2. Pay the fee, form 790-052, overlay, payment portal. 3. Gather your documents, passport, health insurance, bank statement, proof of graduation. 4. Submit application, either online or at your local oficina de extranjería. Once submitted, wait for your approval. This usually takes 20 to 30 days. And boom, you're legally in Spain for a full year. Now you've got 12 months to get a job, start a business, or switch to a full work visa. You don't even need a new residence card. Just keep the approval letter with you. Here's how to find a job fast in Spain. Optimize your CV, Europass format, apply on Info Jobs, Tecnoempleo, LinkedIn Spain. Target IT, digital, marketing, tourism. Learn basic Spanish, it makes a big difference. Network, network, network. So if you studied in Spain and don't want to leave yet, this is your golden ticket. Airplane. Like this video, subscribe for more visa hacks, and check the full guide at tripdoc.net.